Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the promised video I told you guys I'll be making on how to start your WhatsApp TV. Now in the last video I showed you guys how you can make 1000 naira daily using the WhatsApp TV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to structure your WhatsApp TV and start making 1000 naira daily from it. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Now the very first thing you need to make this WhatsApp TV business work for you is contacts. You need a lot of contacts. You need 1,000 contacts, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, as much as possible. The more contacts you have, the more liable you'll be able to charge for your services. Okay, so you need contacts. So how do you get contacts as a beginner, as a newbie? How do you get contacts? Simply by running Facebook ads. Okay, you don't want to wait for so long to get to meet people and save their contacts on your phone. That will take a long time before you have 1,000 contacts on your WhatsApp status. Okay, or 1,000 WhatsApp status view. But the very easy way to do that quickly within weeks or within days or within months is via running Facebook ads. Okay, so but you don't just go about running Facebook ads. You need to have something you are actually um using as a bait to bring people right into your WhatsApp. So you need to put out a freebie, maybe an ebook or a course you want to give out for free, or a training you want to give out for free or even paid. Okay, once you do that, you'll be able to drive in a lot of traffic to your WhatsApp status. People get to save your number on their contact list, and they get to view your status. So within weeks, within days, you can fill up your WhatsApp status contacts. Okay, you can start getting a thousand views or 2,000 views and what have you. Okay, then after that, the next thing you need is or are content. Okay, you need content. Okay, so you don't just get those 1,000 views views automatically. You have to build it, you have to guard it. Okay, you have to nurture it. All right, you need to post. There's some certain content you need to be putting up on your WhatsApp status to get consistent views. Okay, if you have 1,000 contacts and you don't post anything on your WhatsApp status, you won't get views. All right, and if you post the wrong things or you don't do it the right way, you won't also get views. Okay, so there are certain content you need to consistently put up on your WhatsApp status, and the very first of those kind of content are entertainment related content. Okay, people love entertainment. They love watching short comedies, music videos and all that. So you can channel, if you want to channel your WhatsApp status, your WhatsApp TV in this direction, fine. You can channel it in this direction by putting up entertainment um, content on your WhatsApp status. Okay, then people get to always view. Once they know that, okay, I always find something interesting or something entertaining on this person's WhatsApp status, they'll always want to go back. And whenever they see an upload or an update on your WhatsApp status, they'll always want to click on it. All right, now the next kind of content is the educational content. Okay, you can also channel your status in this direction, whereby you post things that are educational. Maybe your content, your status teaches people or teach people about how to make money, or how to lose weight, or how to write an ebook, or how to pass your exams. Okay, once people know that you always post educational things and they love those things you post on your status, they will always want to click on your WhatsApp status to view what you have on. All right, and the next thing is the therapeutic content. Now therapeutic content are things like cool music, slow music, music that makes someone feels cool, feels relaxed, things that kill depression and all that. So people sometimes get depressed and get down, and they will always remember your status since you always post or put up things that are therapeutic right there. All right, so the next kind of content you can put up on your WhatsApp status is the informational or news kind of content. Okay, there are WhatsApp TVs that only post news, breaking news, politics, things that have to do with politics, things that have to do with news and information. Okay, if you want, you can channel your WhatsApp TV towards that direction. All right, now when you're done with the content structuring, the next thing you want to do, which is the second to the last thing, is to project yourself. Okay, if you don't tell people that you run a WhatsApp TV, they won't know. So you have to design a flyer, or you put up in your status and say, oh, I have 2,000 views on my WhatsApp status daily, I have 5,000 views on my WhatsApp status daily. I can put up your training or your project on my WhatsApp status, and you will get a lot of traffic from it. Just pay 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira or 5,000 naira. All right, so you can screenshot the proof of those status view you have and put it up on your WhatsApp status time to time, so that people get convinced that yes, you have this WhatsApp status, the number of WhatsApp status views. Okay, so always project yourself, always sell yourself, say something about your business. Okay, tell people that you run WhatsApp TV. All right, so they can come advertise on your WhatsApp status, advertise on your space, and take advantage of your audience. All right, and then you can charge them 1,000 naira or 2,000 naira or 3,000 naira. If you do this consistently over time, you see that you have a lot of inflow of cash just from your WhatsApp status, just from posting on your WhatsApp status, just from doing what you always do before and what you always love doing. All right, so guys, if this was helpful, please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe, and also like this video. All right, see you on the next one.